Purusha, artha. Artha means purpose, purusha of being human. The purpose of being human. And there are said to be 4 such purusharthas: Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. Dharma is the first one, virtue in accordance with the universal laws. Dharma, virtue, righteous conduct of the mind first, speech second, body third. The righteous and virtuous conduct of mind, speech and body in accordance with the laws of the universe. Okay, dharma. And the last one, moksha, spiritual liberation. Spiritual liberation, attainment of final total spiritual realization. And sandwiched between the two are artha and kama. Sandwiched between the two, only sandwiched between the two. Artha, the worldly matters of economy, commerce, livelihood, and so on. And kama, fulfillment of desires, such as marriage, children, this and that, and so on. Sandwiched between dharma and moksha, by themselves they are your enemies. When taken out from between the dharma and moksha, separated from them, they are your enemies. Kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsarya. We will not go into that right now. Okay. But when they are sandwiched between dharma and moksha, then they are purushartha, then they are purposes of man. So in these, what is the param purushartham, the supreme, the highest, transcendent purpose? Moksha, liberation.